pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going. Why we gotta feel amplified? Staying to the morning.
There you go. I should be there now.
Spending by your side.
The first part is just showing how to set up like EMAs on.
For moving even open, I can feel you. See you. All that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you.
So is that how you found MULN?
No, I found that. I just saw a different group than that guy uses another screener, and they found it. They were talking all kinds of good shit about it, so looked good to me. And it was, but then it's like you dig into the company and it's just
Shitty
kind of
company.
seems like a nothing of a company. You know, they make cool shit, but they're not ready to produce.
They basically riding away.
Yeah, it was the same guy that put the notification out. He put out another one out, and I just copied it and pasted it in here like, fuck. We got into this stock, and it's just not probably going to go much further.
Yeah. Gonna have to wait till it get back down to the dollar range. That's why I started buying it, because once it pulled back to the 240, 250, 60 around that area, it probably would have gonna go for a little bit more, whatever, like which would be 3.2, 3.4. But after that, I don't know. They might dump. That might have been just one that they was just running. I knew it was some short interest that was on the high short interest.
Yeah, I think that's what I want to get into. Tired of being a holder. Get in with good money and get out quick.
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. That's what a couple of my buddies do. They wake up literally at 4 o'clock and they damn near might buy in the aftermarket the day before. And they said 9 times out of 10 out of those 5 stocks right there, at least 2 of them go until the next day. And they'll just throw a dart and whatever one. And usually it plays out and they out of the market by 9 o'clock in the morning. They've been already made their money.
Well, that video, he's showing you how to set up a screener for EMA crossovers. And they built a whole fucking Discord around that thing. And it's all the guys that are like the YouTube ANC people that did it. I kind of said, fuck, waiting on the squeeze. We're going to make money in the meantime. All group together. You gotta pay for the premium alerts and all that, but he shows you how to set up your own screener, so you can do it yourself.
If I pay for it, he better be hitting on 95.9% of the time.
I think those guys are making some money over there. They got a bunch of people working on it. They put out alerts. Like tons of them.
So you got the premium plan?
Nope. Not paying for it. I mean, fuck, if I come home with some cash, I might do a month. Fucking $69. I'm waiting
69 bucks a month?
Yeah.
I guess you're right when you can just do your own scan.
Yeah. I was making thousands of dollars. I wouldn't give a shit about. I'm not doing that right now. I don't have the money to.
You might.
Pretty soon.
If I would have knew any better, I would have bought more HYMC, and that was $1.29. I thought it was 25. I thought it was gonna go down to 118. That's where I was really gonna go heavy, and it never went back. It done doubled at least. Well, it done already doubled, but I'm just saying
Yeah.
I could have been playing the uptrend.
I bought it 151
151. Okay,
on the way down.
that still ain't bad. Cause it went to
No.
340 yesterday. I think yesterday morning.
Yeah, pre-market this morning.
That's what I'm saying. You could have been in and you could have been out. Like you would have been through for the day. But then I know too, hard traders don't hard swing like that though. You know, that's dangerous.
Yeah. It's hard. It's a pain in the ass to kind of sell in the pre-market too. Though. But then you see all that pre-market action, you're like, oh fuck, what's it gonna do during the regular day?
Yeah. I usually would just go in with a certain amount. If it start running and it's good, you know, I just take the little 30, 40, 50, maybe $60 that's on the table and I'm good for the day. But if I'm like stuck where like it ain't trading, I just save my big buy from when it dips as soon as the market opens. And I usually go not heavy because there's still a possibility it might dip usually in like the first hour or two. Go up a little bit and then you can get on out of there. Yeah, but the bullish sentiment is still coming. I just think it's gonna be another pullback once Jerome Powell get to speaking again about the next interest rate hikes. And then we going up. I don't think it's gonna be a big pullback, but you know, gas is gonna get lower now. It's under $4. Shit, that's already gonna start. That was on the news today that most service stations they went down like 379, 387. Was 419 here, but now it's like 399. 385.
It just seems like our gas up here just goes up. The rest of the country's going down, they just leave it. Fuck us. So what are you gonna do?
I guess it just depends on the supply and demand. They probably had so much of the shit that nobody buying the gas, so they like, damn, we gotta get rid of it. It's on sale today.
Yeah. What's fucking stupid is we don't have a refinery here. We could make our own gas, but we send it down there and turn it into gas, and we bring it back.
It's crazy. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of sideways action today.
The last 5 days, pretty comforting knowing that there's still a lot of people interested in buying all that action, you know? Not just dead like we've thought it was for the last month.
Man, they gonna buy whatever. As long as they can get their hands on it.
Math on one of my coins. Just one. The same amount I have in that coin right now, if I'd have put that same amount in a year ago, it'd been over 100 grand. Just one coin.
Man, you see what I was saying when I was like, you really don't number focus on like 2-3 coins, and you know, just keep putting your all into it. fall. You know, when they go on up, you can put so much money into it that you can get out so quick or keep holding. You good.
Yep.
That's why I don't even be really caring if I don't get the first run up because I be like, cool, I just get the bottom or it going down the downtrend. That way it give me plenty of time to put as much money as I want to into it instead of trying to go hoping that it go high.
Feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly.
Yeah, about Sheba at like 49. Now I'm down to like 38. So yeah, let it keep staying low. So it keep giving me time. I keep buying every day. 20, $25, $30. Keep bringing my average down about 50 cent. I want to say if you were saying it was if it was 38.99, it bring down to 38.49. I'm trying to just keep from going all in and just dumping the whole money in, just try to catch it on my hips.
Yeah.
He was kind of thinking about that too. Like, once this madness is over with in the stock market and everything, and I go ahead and get into positives and everything, I'm gonna sell. And I said I'm gonna just grab me probably like 2 or 3 stocks, and I'm just solely into. Well, even if I have to keep chasing it all the way on down, eventually it turn around. You just hold for about a year or two. If it take that long, it might turn around instantly, but you'll be surprised how you did better than what the people did in the market.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good, especially on stocks, pretty good possibility if you're in a Fortune 500 company that you could do that.
Yeah. Because, I mean, if you just think about the people that's just GameStop or AMC apes, and that's all they buying, you got to imagine they ain't thinking about no other stock. They just constantly buying that same goddamn stock. They got so many shares or fractional shares of it. It's just like, they not worried. It's almost like a savings account. Just put money in and don't worry about it. You'll get it down there, and when that shit turn around, you'll be surprised.
Yeah, I just haven't found one that I believe in that much just to kind of put all them eggs in one basket,
Yeah.
But I did pretty good on my Berkshire Hathaway, my B. Did pretty good on the in-phase stock, but for the most part, I was in so many of them that I haven't had the same results. But like the in-phase one, if I'd have had 100 instead of 5 or whatever it was, I bought them at like 5 something a piece and sold them at almost $200 a piece. It's like fuck.
Yeah.
I had all these other things that I just, sprinkled money, fanned it in different places, and I was like, shit, man, if I'd have just concentrated on that, but,
You too spread out.
Yep.
Yeah, that's how I was at first. Yeah. And I said, as soon as I get in the profit, man, I got to let some of this stuff go and build my capital off of those 1 or 2 stocks and then, just get myself ready for the next dip. And then that's when we reset. We got enough of money, but still I can still play those stocks in between, maybe 1 or 2 or whatever, even if I feel like selling, just still just focus on 2 or 3 of them. Even if you're changing them, like just focus on it instead of like 10, 15 in your portfolio, trying to put 100 here, and then coming back the next day, you want to catch this dip, but the other stock is dipping. It's just all over.
I used to follow a guy on YouTube, and he was saying that if you have a stock less than a certain amount of dollars, then you want to have at least 100. And if you have a stock that's basically a penny stock, something less than $5, you want to have 1,000. You know, and if you ain't willing to put 1,000 in it, then find something else you're willing to get behind. But, if you do 100 on them bigger stocks, the ones that are, I ain't gonna say dollar number, but the ones that are up there cost you some money. Get 100 of those, and then them ones that are $5 and less, get 1,000 of them, and then move on to the next one. Once you get 100 of the ones above and 1,000 of the ones below, then move on to something else. But and he was saying just hold them. If it's something you believed in enough to invest that kind of money, then just hold them. If you did your research, you think they're going to go back up, then hold them. Find something else when you got new dry powder, throw it in there, and just hold it. Looking back on when I was listening to him and he was saying that, if I'd have done those things, I'd be in a totally different position right now, because I invested in those stocks. I didn't do 100 or 1,000.
And we probably wouldn't have an Okie in our Discord.
You might still have me every once in a while, but it wouldn't be every day for so many hours.
Yeah, I try not to swing that hard. What I usually would do is just kind of just even if it was like a penny stock, if you just only had like 1, 2 penny stocks, you probably would outbeat the percentages of other stocks. But I just usually just kind of like scale in kind of and everything, because what I have noticed is like I scale in like hugely. Like say if I say, all right, I'm gonna get 100, I scale in for 25 and 25, when I probably could have rolled that back and did like 10. I be stuck in a higher average. So what I just started to do is I just scale in 5 shares, then I go to maybe double down and do 10, then that'll be 15 altogether, then I turn around and do 30, 60, like that. But it might take me months on building a position that I'm all the way comfortable for. So if I'm saying I'm going in, I'm looking to get like 1,000 shares, sometimes it might take me 3 or 4 months before I'm able to get the 1,000 shares. But I got the money to get the 1,000 shares. It's just that I'm trying to get that real good deal, like kind of, without swinging too hard.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the only thing I learned too, is that a real trader, sometimes it does take them months to build to fully build a position to what they trying to do, Unless you believe, you got high conviction.
Yeah, that's what he used to say. And then once you hit that goal of 100 or 1,000, depending on which level you're at, he was like, then move on to something else. If it's something you really believe in, you've done your work, get it up to that point, and then move on to something else. Do your research, and then build another coin. That's how you build a better portfolio. Instead of just throwing into random things, Oh, this coin lost 40% today. I'm gonna throw $10 at it, or $100 at it, or $1,000 at it, and hope it goes back up. He said you can throw a dart at a wall, and without doing the research first, you throw a dart at the wall, you're gonna hit 0, most of the time. So
yeah.
Hey everyone.
Hey.
What's up, AQ?
I'm home chilling. Was on earlier and then I had to go. So I just want to check back in, see how everyone was doing. didn't get to like say goodbye, so I felt bad.
We don't go anywhere.
I know, and it's like stupid. But I just I don't know. I just felt rude, because like I just dip out. But I know you guys understand. So.
I'm probably the worst about it. I'll just leave. You gotta pull me over and just pick up.
I know it doesn't matter. Like, who cares, But I don't know. It's stupid. I just like, one time I had a job and the cook. It was at a restaurant. I was waitressing, and I would say hi to everyone. But one time the cook, he's like, "Why do you don't say hi every day? You always say hi and goodbye. It's rude if you don't." And then I don't know, just like always like stuck with me. Anyways.
One day at the office.
It was cool at the office, yeah. And it was cool. I took my kids to the park after I picked them up because it's still daylight out. So that was like really cool to be able to do that. No, they're chilling. Like, they are chilling. I'll be doing that more often.
Well, I'm gonna pull a Donnie, see him turn it into pumpkin. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right, okay.
Good luck.
Uh-oh, D-Wade got one up on.
I've been here the whole time.
I got you, D-Wade. I got you wrote down in the book. I got you. I'm keeping up with scope.
He made that.
It's midnight Eastern time, so I told you he's turned into a pumpkin.
I'm gonna write it down. All right, okay.
Live like 5 minutes. Yeah, okay.
I'm surprised D-Wade.
I call that.
Yeah, I give you that, man. You said that he usually the late night and you don't stay up. You stayed up. 1-0.
I got lucky this time. Let's put it that way. Oh, don't you gotta get some sleep for your day off tomorrow? For my day off tomorrow?
No, he's got a meeting.
No, I got a meeting. Yeah, I got a meeting that I'm gonna probably be there for 5 minutes. I had one earlier today, fucker. I just want your job. I'm just jealous, D-Wave. I just want your fucking job.
I don't want any of y'all's job.
You got probably the best job right now, Fatty. Shoot, I wish I had yours. You know?
You should. Your wife's the doctor.
Oh, hell, don't even go there. I knew you were going to pull that. I knew you were going to circle back on that one, Fatty. Oh, man. It's alright. I guess I got lucky, But we work hard for it, though.
I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked. You stayed up. You said you was.
Oh, yeah. I am. Usually, you know what? If I'm even in bed, I have you guys on. I'll be listening. I'll chime in if I, have to, or sometime I want to, right? But I'll be listening, though.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. Man, this market right now is sideways. As soon as like 2 or 3 o'clock strike, or even 4, something's gonna pump, or it's gonna dump really bad.
Yeah. I was just doing a little scalp on ACH. It got me a little profit on that. I think I'm gonna step away. Yeah, I think I'm gonna step away from it because, like I say, it always happen like that. With things, it be like in a slow down trend, stair stepping, and then it just fall off the cliff.
Man, I'm still waiting for 8 to go down 12 or even lower. I want to pick up something just get when to go back,
Right.
As
it's not bad. You know, if it go up, it'll go up, then it'll stay there. Then it follow Bitcoin back down. If Bitcoin go down,
Yeah.
that's why. I've been paying attention to it, but I'm just got my little sweet spot that I want to enter. Man, ETC need to go all the way up to 53, man, or more. It's been hanging around this 50. It got up to 52 and got pushed back down.
Yeah, I think you and Doc been holding for about what, 12 days now?
Shoot, today maybe 7 or 8 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's nothing that we need immediately, you know.
Yeah.
If it, I mean, next time it go up, man, I'm thinking it's probably gonna shoot up all the way up 56 for barrier.
Let me see what it's doing now so I can buy.
It's like a 50 something right now, some change.
Oh, hell no. That's too high.
It is. I think me and Doc got in around like 46, I think.
It's not bad.
Nah.
Minute 37 with one.
Fatty got 0.75.
Just one. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's more smart ass than me. I'm not gonna buy a whole one.
You gotta beat Fatty, huh? Shoot.
I'd rather see with the top 0.5.
So you can see over now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You trying to be greedy and get that $2 more.
Well, I only got one. And that thing's been high as fuck, so I'm fucking Team Patty on this one. Rather that fucking one coin to the top.
One coin to the top.
I mean, if you look at it, ETC's not bad for buying.
It's going up, man. It's going up. It's gonna be. You might be right. It might hit that. It's looking bullish. It pulled all the way back to 49.85, and stepping all the way on up. I guess you got to break the. Let me see. 5-1-15. Yeah. It ain't got stuck 3 times right there.
Yeah, it's gonna go. I mean, I got a bunch of, I bought a few back here and there. 36, 38, 41.
Man, that would have been a nice little swing too.
Mm-hmm.
Probably in that 40 minutes. How many coins could I get? 33. 33.6. 33.46. Damn.
Yeah.
Roller.
Nah, I should have got into that right there. I should have got in at 39.85, and I should have sold because it's gonna weak back all the way up. I think they're gonna pass for 51.60.
Yeah.
I think you might get your well, it's going pretty slow, right? So you might get your 52. Might still, I know it's back some, but I mean eventually, but it might just pull back to straight 50.
Yeah. Let's see what this next 6 minute does. But I'm in no rush. What's that?
I put that stop screen
Oh yeah.
video. You see it?
Yeah, I see that. Start screen setup. Okay, I got that. Thank you. Me, I got a few coins that are doing really well. But I'm not selling it yet, though. Yeah.
Me either. I'm in profit everywhere except for dogs and sheep, man. I'm just trying to buy.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much the consensus across the board, Red. You know, Doge, if you bought at a high, you're stuck with it right now. You know?
Yep. I just buy down.
Yeah.
Well, I hope that
I mean-
rocket launches in the next 2 days. Because if it doesn't,
Shit.
then he missed the fucking target. Fuck.
He gonna launch it on 420.
Is that what he said?
Nah, you remember last year? That's what the fuck they were waiting on. I mean, well, that's what they were waiting on anyway. Because it was 420. They expected Doge to go up for the hike. So if Doge don't go up the next 2 days, the next stop will be for 420 if we can find it. But it's also too a meme coin, supposedly. So it could go on the 1st of April. April Fools. Never know.
Mhm.
Well, SpaceX said it was launching first quarter, which is now.
You said 2 days, right? So that is April 1st. That is April.
April
okay.
Fool. Yeah, I believe
Yeah.
so.
Is that the end of first quarter?
Now first quarter's out. With
I think it was last Thursday, right?
That is the first
Okay.
3 months.
it is, but they usually stop a week before.
I think it was last Thursday. Because our company, you know, was last Thursday, I believe.
But they still say that that whole mission was funded with Doge. So I can't think that there's, nothing's gonna happen.
I think it's going to be 420.
Like maybe those scientists or whatever. Maybe we should talk to Shocker about this. But when, are they not allowed to cash out till the rocket launches, or what's the deal?
I wonder what Discord that the fool was in now.
He's inside.
He's in South.
Yeah, he's inside.
Mm-mm-mm. Is
So I
anybody, is anyone showing up in South? That's the question.
I gotta show you, D-Way. I got you down on the paper right here.
Oh,
D-
shoot.
A 1. Okay, with a 0.
Hey,
So,
take a picture of that and put in those generals.
nah, I can't do that. Can't do that. Man. So I was letting you know that I was serious about I was going. Damn.
Shoot. Look. He
So I
needs-
got you on the paper.
Thank you. He didn't take me out on lunch for that. He lost.
I told you I'm keeping up with the score this week.
There you go.
I'm gonna report earnings at the end of the week.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go probably 2-0 on him here. 2-0 and 3-0. We'll see.
You tapping
I'm
out, you
gonna
get a
do-
half point.
No, I say I'm gonna do 3-0 on him.
Oh, you gonna do 3-0 on him? Damn.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a skunk on him.
Then you gonna be able to rest the whole weekend.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna do.
I
Now,
don't think he ain't up for real tonight because shit is going sideways. So
yeah, usually if it's sideways, he bounce.
yeah, because I was gonna say last night it was kind of the same way. Everybody was gone out.
It's a sideways, then like I say, like before, 5 o'clock, you get a good week, like a big, nice little wake up,
Yeah, that's usually 2-3 in the morning or something. Yeah, like
Yeah.
5.
If it does that tonight, man, I think, ETC is gonna go up 53.
Mhm.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm gonna take another look at it and see. Uh-oh.
Let's see
That's
here.
pretty cool if we can bank on that.
I'm looking at it on the 15th. I'm looking at it on the 15th. It looked like it's stair stepping up. No, broke down.
No, broke down a little bit.
Yep. So we probably gonna go
Got a
down.
new candle.
Yeah.
New candle coming though. Damn, that wind is blowing like crazy outside.
Uh-oh. You better go bring Mochi in. She in the doghouse out there.
Nah, man, that little booger's in the house 24/7. She even sleep in my room.
Oh, she don't have a cage?
Yeah, we do have a cage, but we put her in the cage whenever we're, going out, do some stuff outside in the backyard.
Okay.
We'll bring her out too. We'll put like a perimeter in an area so she can see us. A cage, yeah, we do. We have one for her too. Man,
Okay.
Deso. I'm tempting to buy get a cup of Deso just like Donnie said. It's
So
a
you
radio
drive?
act, man.
So she ride with your car. She be riding. She be sitting on your lap while you be trying to drive.
Yep. Yes, indeed.
You're one of those guys.
No. When we put her on my, we put her with my
I
wife.
heard you run.
Oh, shoot. Hey, look at Deso. He wanted to do something. Man, should have went in
Okay,
at
what?
45.
Look at what?
ESO.
DESO.
The one that we were talking with Donnie earlier.
No.
This is Elon. But
Yeah, it's doing
and-
something.
that thing looks like a fucking Doge chart, though, doesn't it? I can't see it right now, but
It was down like 43 or 44 earlier.
Yeah. It might be
Man.
trying to pump it again today.
Yeah, it's already at 47.
Might not even go to 90s. Go to like 60 or 50 something. Well, not
Yeah.
50, but maybe 60 or 70, and then you stop. I started to get in, but I was thinking about getting in at like 35.
Nah, man, shoot, I should have went in at 43 or 44 when it was there. We wake up tomorrow when it's like 90 something. We'll be kicking ourselves. Ran.
What'd you say?
Damn, dude. I say we'll be kicking. Go ahead, upgrade.
I was saying General FOMO.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Everything's pretty much going down. It's going up. Damn, that would be a nice in and out right there, Rand.
Yeah, it would have.
Even at 45.
Let me see. I'm finna do the math on there. What's that? 40, 80. Let's see, 44.
It's going to 49 pretty soon here.
Yeah, but I was trying to think of if that was $4, because if it was at 44.87 and it's at 48.70, that would be like
48.69.
It's finna come down, man.
Yeah, it looked like you wanted to kind of retrace there.
42. That would have been like, yeah.
It's still got like another 11 minutes before a new candle. 15-minute candle.
442.
Man, I'll be pissed waking up in the morning, finding out that sucker back to like 90 something bucks. Yeah.
Damn, that would have been $185. Quick.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Yeah.
We were discussing about this with Donnie earlier.
Yeah, I think Donnie might have bought. I think he said he might buy some.
Yeah. Shit.
Yeah, it might run again today. I'd look for probably about 10-20%. But that's 10-20% from where it fell at, which you should expect that anyway. I mean, if it fell over, what, 42%?
Yeah.
Right, so it might run an extra 10-20, whatever, and then the next day it's going to drop a 10 or a 20 and maybe or possibly 10.
I just said a crazy number. Wherever the... What's that?
As
Damn.